Hi traders, welcome to watch the financial freedom through trading for novice. This is for those who are stepping into the market with a dream to achieve financial freedom through trading. This video will help you to guide and introspect your trading path through top-down approach. This advice is purely for the manual trading, not for algorithm traders. If you're feeling I'm going fast, please enable subtitles for better clarity. First, find your personality. Second, find your mentor or learn self. Third, build your own system and strategy. Fourth, find your risk capacity and the expectancy from the market. Finally, some common advice for the novice trader. First, let's get into the find your personality. When I say personality, what's your patience indicator level? Once we open a position, many of them would start feeling uncomfortable about the position. We start refreshing the screen to look at the MTM fluctuation for favorable news around the position. The time one can stay in the trade without being uncomfortable defines the patience level. I suggest you to rate between 1 to 10. If you score anything about, you can get into positional trading. Between 6 to 8, you can be a swing trader. Between 3 to 5, you can be a day trader. Below 2, suits for scalping. Then decide what is the amount of time you can spend for trading per day, per week in the system, watching the monitor actively and executing the orders. If you're able to spend 2 to 3 hours per week, then the best option would be to become a positional trader. 5 to 8 hours per week, you can get into swing trading. 2 to 4 hours per week per day, you can be a day trader. If you're actively monitoring the chart frequently, then you can become a scalper or a day trader. And then you will have to identify which segment you wanted to trade. Once the patience level and the amount of time you can spend for the market, you can choose the segment. Every segment has its own nature, having a lot of dependent other factors in the global broadcast. You have equity stock, options, futures. You have derivative options and the future, commodity, forex, cryptocurrency. So once you identify all of them, next step is to find your mentor or learn self. There is a special quote: learn from the other mistakes of others. You cannot live long enough to make them all yourself. There is always an opportunity for you to learn from other traders and find right mentor based on the above criteria who fits into your personality. This is the most challenging part. Identifying a genuine mentor suits your trading personality, but you gotta spend some time identifying one. This helps reducing the turnaround time of your for your earlier success. Or you can learn self. Zero the Varsity is one of the best place to start on the basics or through online materials. Once you identify your mentor, learn self, then you get into building your own system and strategy. It is good to learn both price action and the technical analysis to become a trader. So, price action is nothing but trading that will help you to identify a performance of a stock or index to predict what might happen in the future. So, price action is nothing but trending bullish, bearish. You have pin bar where it is taking near the supports or the resistance zone, or any breakout entry after the trend, head and shoulder. Many are available in the market. You just have to learn these patterns. Then comes to the technical analysis. So it is all about predicting price movement using the historic price charts and the market statistics. Start with the basics. Understand the candlestick behavior. Draw the support and resistance at the key level. Importance of the volume. Simple moving average and exponential moving average are one of the effective tool I have seen. Then relative strength index, Dow theory, moving average, convergence, divergence. These are some basic indicators which you can pretty much begin with. Do not complicate trading with too many indicators. EMEA along with price action makes wonderful results in most of the time frame. I use 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 3 hours, 1 day for my trade reading. Based on the time frame, I would stay in the trade uh, and there are a lot of indicators and strategies available in the YouTube. So you can find them in my Twitter page, which is given into the video section. Please refer to that. And then find your risk capacity and the expectancy from the market. You cannot win without betting. To win, you will have to accept the loss first. Identify what is the risk you want to put on the table and the return on investment you expect from the market. This is very relative from person to person. For simplification, let's say you want to generate 60% return on investment per year from your base capital. Dissect your goals into small chunks. 60% return on investment per year translates into 5% per month, which again translates into 1.25% per week. So all you have to do is make 1.25% per week of your trading capital to make 60% per year, which is way far better than any reputed mutual funds can generate. Don't get too much carried away with the above saying. Remember, 85% of the traders quit market in their first year, 5% in their 3 to 5 years, 3% after severe losses going deep bankruptcy. This the other one stay in the market by making consistent return. Zero, the founder, also has said 1% of the active traders beat bank FD in India. So focus on the process, not on the result. Set maximum loss for a day. For a trade, avoid too many positions at the same time. Avoid revenge trade. Avoid following tip channels. Avoid each to trade. Wait for your setup. Trade only when you are in the system. Don't be overconfident or low. You need to maintain that balance always. And some common advice for the novice traders. Clear thoughts and stable mind only can yield better result. Mind can able to focus only for a certain duration of time. So choose your best hours of trading where you have absolute no disturbance, where you can execute your strategy seamless. Be fearless to take the trade when the risk reward is in your favor. Take one step at a time. Slowly shift your gears. Increase your position size gradually to experience the emotional pain. For longer run, one need to maintain that composure stable. Remember, without confidence, one cannot win the market. When your levels are down or making too many losses, reduce your position size, gain your confidence back, and start resuming to your normal position. Have a positive thoughts. Thoughts are reflection of your reality. Success is a journey, not a destination. So enjoy each and every process of your growth. Keep patting yourself when you follow the process and give a star yourself. A vessel full of water doesn't make gurgling sound. Whatever the height you reach, stay grounded. Support and help others. Finally, be resilient. Fight what you want. Sometimes it takes longer than usual. Think about the bamboo tree. You take a little seed, plant it, water it, fertilize it for years, and nothing happens. During the fifth year, it grows 90 feet in 6 weeks. So, overnight success are years in the making. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, like, comments your thought. Happy to help you. Thank you.